Hello everyone, welcome back to our last class of this beginner level course on math science. So far, in our journey to become great scientists, we have worked and carried out lots of experiments in courses such as the elephant toothpaste, erupting coke and lots more. And to conclude this final class, we are going to carry out one last experiment to prove that not only can human beings hear sound, we can also see it. Hence the title of this experiment, Seeing Sound. The goal of this experiment is to help you see the movement of sound waves as they travel. And to enable you to do this, you will need to participate in this class activity. And in this activity, you will need to carry out a science experiment with 5 items that will help you learn about sound waves and also see it. Before we proceed to carrying out this science experiment, there are certain things you should know about sound. Number 1, sound is produced when a force causes an object or a substance to vibrate. Secondly, sound energy is transferred through a substance or an object as waves. Thirdly, sound waves is either transferred through air, water, or a solid object in form of vibrations. And lastly, depending on how sound waves or the type of vibration that is made, sound can either be loud or soft, high or low. To enable you to carry out this science experiment, you need to gather the following items: grains of rice, transparent bowl, cling film or plastic wrap, metal spoon, and metal pan. So to begin this experiment, the first thing we do is to properly place our cling film over the bowl, and you ensure that it is airtight. Then when you're done, you cut carefully. So the next thing to do is to sprinkle some grains of rice on your cling film or plastic wrap. Then when you're done, you bring in your metal pan and hit it with a spoon. So when hitting the pan, make sure the metal pan doesn't touch the bowl. So let's see what happens when we hit the pan. How are we able to see sound? Sound is a disturbance that travels through a medium in form of a wave. So in this experiment, when you hit the metal pan with a spoon, you disturb the particles of the pan, thereby causing them to vibrate. And these vibrations are then transferred to the surrounding of the pan, creating sound waves. When the sound waves travel and reach the plastic wrap, it disturbs the particles of the plastic wrap, thereby causing them to vibrate. And these vibrations cause the rice on top of it to keep bouncing and moving. And that is how we are able to see sound waves with this experiment. Now that we've come to the end of this class, and also the beginner level course, you've learned that sound is produced when a force causes an object or a substance to vibrate. You've also learned that sound energy is transferred through an object or a substance in form of waves. And you've also seen how this experiment enables us to see sound. I believe that you had an exciting time learning throughout this beginner level course. I hope to see you in the next level. Have fun, keep learning, and goodbye.